I fully recognize that in some cases, I am choosing between saving people's lives and saving people's livelihoods. But ultimately, you can't have a livelihood if you don't have your life.
Local businesses have been really impacted by the stay-at-home order. So our channel have always tried to feature local businesses, and to our surprise, a lot of these businesses have actually posted our channel onto their Facebook page. Our channel's ecstatic when we receive letters from these local businesses thanking us for featuring them on our channel. Please support your local business. And now, let's go back to a time last winter when we went bowling. Alright everybody, we are here at Streamwood Bowl, one of our favorite bowling places. We want to take you along to check it out. It's an old school feel, it's a lot of fun. So the family is here to go bowling. Let's go! Alright, let's see if I can vlog and bowl. So here they actually have cosmic bowling at night, and there are 32 lanes to go bowling. It's really even fun. Even Rosalie loves it because they have these things you can push the bowling ball. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yay!
This is Rosalie's first time bowling.
Did you know bowling can be traced all the way back to ancient Egypt? It goes all the way back to 5200 BC.
I like bowling because it's a fun family thing that we could do all together, and we can go out and do it.
Yeah, Mommy!
According to my YouTube analytics, you guys are all about my age. And do you remember going to the bowling alley and having to do it by hand? I had one of my friends, Brad, was the person who only knew how to score. None of us did, so we don't know if he cheated or not. Do you remember? If you do, put it in the comments down below. Daddy's up by 5 on the 7th frame to Melissa. Let's see how we do. But Addison is on her comeback trail. So when I was in high school, me, Brad, Bert, my friend Shannon, and Kathy, I think we went bowling like every weekend. It's one of our favorite things to do. Spare. After being on lockdown for about a month now, I really value the time we had last winter bowling. Even though we have our own bowling shoes and bowling balls, we are not very good at bowling, but we really value the time that we have here. Our family is super competitive. I do not let Addison or Rosalie win, and when they do win, they are very proud of their accomplishments. We love to travel different places because it's really a time where you can spend quality time away from your devices and to be able to be engaged at the actual moment it is. My dad's hilarious. You gotta see him bowl. Wish he was here today. He puts the ball over his head and goes around and bowls. It looks really silly, but he bowls like between 200 and 250. He said it's so much easier in the Philippines where the lanes were uneven. All right, let's see if I can vlog and bowl. All right, we are now in a 10th frame. I have 106. Melissa has 93, but with a spare. So she has a chance. Successful time bowling. It's always great when I win. It's a little competitive here at the Santos household. All right. Well, hopefully everybody had a good time joining us going bowling.
Well, make sure to like and subscribe to this video down below. And hit that notification bell while you're at the same notice the video comes out. See you on our next journey. Bye!